This is what our complex looks like. All the units. It's real nice. They give free shuttle service into town, so you just come up here and tell them that you want to go in town. They drop you right in the center of Ubud, and then they pick you up at whatever time that you want. Look at her outfit. That's awesome. That's a traditional Balinese outfit. Yes. Alright, we made it to Campuhan Ridge Walk. Now we gotta walk down all these steps to get to it. All the temples, and I just saw a sign that says a 10-minute walk to Junglefish, and that taxi driver was going to try to charge me another 100,000 to take me there when you could just walk from here. What a loser. We gotta take our shoes off. This door is so cool. So cool. Oh, cool. This morning we are heading real early. We're going to Tegalalang Rice Terrace. I don't know if I said that right, but we're going there, and then we're gonna go to the Tegenungan Waterfall. So we're getting up and we're leaving at 6 o'clock this morning. We hired a private driver to take us. So look how pretty of a morning it is. It's beautiful. Alright, so we made it to Tegalalang Rice Terrace early. We thought we would be the only ones, but I see people over there, which is okay, as long as it ain't packed. Alright, so we made it to Tegenungan Waterfall. Got these little pools right here, that's cool. And then look at this sign right here for the women. It's super slippery, so if you're wearing flip-flops like me, you gotta be super careful, especially when you're coming back down. But look at this, it's beautiful. So cool. This girl right here and these guys that are up here, they're doing like a photo shoot, so they're kind of like hogging the waterfall and everybody else wants to take pictures, but she's kind of in the way. I tried to go up over here because there's stairs that lead all the way up to the waterfall. They told me I had to pay. It's ridiculous. They charge for everything around here. Okay, so our driver, what's his name? Ryan. He is trying to bring us to a coffee plantation that's like they're right down the street from the waterfall, and so he doesn't know if it's open, so he went to go check for us. But if it is, we're probably gonna get down and try their different coffees. I think they're gonna want us to try that poo-poo coffee, but I don't think me and B are having it, so we'll try the other flavors.
That is the vanilla. Yeah, but this vanilla still young. Long time have the bean, but here vanilla we making from vanilla coffee and vanilla chocolate.
Oh, okay.
That makes coffee.
Wow, that is crazy.
That is the ginger.
Ginger.
Yes, come from the root. Here we making from ginger tea.
Wow.
They're good for stomach and throat.
That's the luwak?
Yes.
Ah, that's the luwak, Becca.
Yes. They active the night, but every day eat the chicken, papaya, banana, and red bean coffee. And then just eat skin, just swallow bean, and then the process for the stomach. Then aside from the poo. And then we clean, we open skin, we roasting, and then until you can already drink coffee.
Okay.
There's a whole bee's nest in there.
Yeah. This one's sleep.
This year we have the product 1 until 12. I will give free for testing, and then number last you try luwak coffee, you charge 50,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Are you try luwak coffee?
I'm not gonna try it. Do you want to try it?
What does it taste? Is it strong or sweet or
Well, just a black coffee.
just a little? I'm okay, thank
You
you.
try? No.
I'm scared to know.
Or just a testing.
It's just the testing.
Yeah, it's just the testing. Alright, so that was a quick lesson in coffee. Now we're gonna taste test. We're not gonna try the luwak. You gotta pay 50,000, but that's not why we're trying it. We're too scared to try it. Comes from poop.
Okay, you can see in here. It's like a mango steam.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sorry.
Okay, we're dodos. So in order from right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way, and then it has it right here what each one is. And then afterward, we eat chocolate. This one's the mango steam. It's different.
Lemon's good.
Which one's this one?
Lemongrass.
This is lemongrass. Oh, that's very good.
I like these too.
Ginger.
Oh, lemon tea.
Lemon tea.
So good. So
Oh
good.
wow. Yeah.
The lemon and the
Okay, the next one is this one, the Rosella.
that's what I want to try.
Rosella. I think you're gonna like it. Number 6 is red ginger.
Yeah, tea tastes like this all the time. I don't drink it.
Whoa, that has a kick. Ooh, that's spicy.
Red ginger.
Next one is ginseng.
Ginseng is an actual antibiotic.
That's actually pretty good. The next one
It's an aphrodisiac.
is it. This one right here is Bali coffee.
Man, this tastes like coffee. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, that's
Love
strong.
ginseng one.
A coffee lover would like Bali coffee. Oh my god. Next one is cocoa spices.
That's mine.
You're at that one. That one's okay. Cocoa spice. The next one's vanilla coffee.
Oh, really?
Oh wow, that one's really good. Vanilla coffee. I like that one. Pretty good. Oh, and I just found out that our driver got us in before they even opened, so they just gave us a little taste before. So that was super nice of him. Thank you.
It was really nice. I got a little cat with his mom's toe.
Alright guys, we made it to Tibumana Waterfall. So we're gonna start the trek right now. It's quite a bit in the jungle. It took a while to, not really a while. Actually, maybe like 20 minutes to get here from the Tegenungan Waterfall. So we had to pay 10,000 rupiah each to get in. That was the fee for Tibumana Waterfall. At Restaurant Talisman, and Wayan says that they have a really cool view of the rice fields. Good morning. Hello. Cool. Thank you. Oh, look at that view. So our guide Wayan, he's been excellent guy, driver today. He's taken us to the places that we wanted to go, the main attractions. But he took us to this coffee tasting place when they weren't even open, and he got us in, and that was really, really nice of him to do. So we got to taste free coffee and tea, which was really, really good. And then he came and brought us here because we've been starving. And he brought us here to this nice little restaurant. Nobody's around. We're the only ones here. I don't even know if they're open yet, but he's been telling us like nonstop how much he appreciates us choosing him to take us around. So they're very appreciative. This is called nasi goreng, and it's fried rice with a fried egg and chicken breast and chicken satay. And we got vegetable curry. Okay, right now we're gonna go into town. We've been chilling this whole time. Took a nap, much needed. But now we're starving and we're gonna go get some food. And then Becca's gonna shop until she drops. But I'm gonna come back before dark, fly the drone to get some evening shots, maybe jump in the pool. maybe. It's our pool's like super cold. I don't know why, but even when it's like super hot outside, it was freezing. Couldn't even get in.